Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Boost Air AX65 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, meet the AX65, the ultimate all-in-one portable jump starter, tire inflator, and flashlight, your essential roadside companion. Delivering 2,000 amperes, it effortlessly starts cars, motorcycles, SUVs, and tractors with engines up to 8.0 liters gasoline or 6.0 liters diesel. Rugged, versatile, and reliable, the AX65 is designed to keep you moving no matter the situation. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the NOCO Boost Air AX65, battery clamps, microfiber storage bag, USB Type-C cable, user manual, product description, power button, reverse polarity error LED, cold LED, hot LED, error LED, internal battery level, boost LED, light mode button, manual override button, unit LEDs, set LED, LED display, air mode button, arrow buttons. How to use. First, with the clamp assembly firmly attached to the 12-volt output, attach the clamps to the battery, red to positive, black to negative. Next, power on the unit. The charge LEDs will chase, and the boost LED will illuminate, indicating that it detected the battery and is ready to jump start. Start the vehicle within 60 seconds before the internal timer powers the unit off. Repeat if necessary. Once the vehicle is on, power off the unit and disconnect the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. First, locate the USB Type-C in and out port on the side of the unit. Connect the provided USB Type-C charge cable into AX65 and plug the other end into any USB Type-C charger, car adapter, or other powered USB Type-C port. Once charging, the charge LEDs will slowly pulse. The fast charge LED will light up when the unit is connected to a compatible power source capable of delivering 15 watts or more of power. AX65 can charge at a rate up to 60 watts for a full charge in under an hour. When the battery is fully charged, the large green LED will glow solid with all other LEDs turned off. Charge times will vary according to the power of the charger used. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.